What's up, my people? This is Dalton, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing. This is a government phone. They're free phones. Well, they're free phones that have, most of the time, they have unlimited text and unlimited calling. Okay. And they're mostly Android phones. And they're free as long as you're like local income, you're on SNAP, food stamps, or just have low income. You don't make a lot of money. You can get one of these phones, and I think it's a great idea. Okay, because no one should be without a phone these days. Okay, and they usually give you also internet data, a certain amount, but you can always buy more if you ever run out. Okay, this is the box I took off the mailing, and when I open it, there it is. And this is from QLink, as you see right there. And they also, QLink is kind of cool. QLink will let you buy unlimited text as well as calling and extra data for like $20, and you get 20 gigs, and that's a lot. That'll last you a lot. Okay, so if your phone is your computer, in some cases you're looking for a job or something like that, 20 gigs, it gives you a lot of online time. Okay, now this is it. This is called a ZTE Quest 5. Look at that, beautiful, right? It's from QLink. It's not bad. And in the boxing, it tells you how you can make the phone call, etc., to activate your phone, check your balances, and then down here, what we have, they give you this quick start. Okay. Now the cool thing about the QLink is, no matter what your language is, once you apply and get one of these phones and let them know what your language is, they'll send you information not only in English, but if you're Latin, you get it in Spanish too. See, if you talk if you're Japanese, you can ask and get it in Japanese or whatever your language is. Okay, and with it, yes, you get this. This is great. This is your charger. Okay, all right, and you can also, as you see, with this charger, you can use it and charge this up, but you can also use it and connect it to a computer. So if you ever have to download files from the library computer to your phone, you're able to do that. Because a lot of people don't have computers. Okay, there you go. Well, and I tell you what, I have already set it up. It looks great. It works great. Great sound. My Bluetooth connects with it perfectly. It's a really good deal. All right. And like I said, it's called QLink. And I will try to put a link, no pun intended, underneath the video. So therefore you can check it out for yourself. Better to have a phone than not, right? And it feels sturdy. It doesn't feel like plastic or anything. It feels really sturdy, powerful. And you can put a SD card in it to increase your storage, and you can use it for videos or whatever, or you can even use that SD card to increase your hardware storage of your phone. All right, that's a quick one for you today. Peace.